Hello, welcome everyone. Welcome to Crypto Enjoy Live. Hello, welcome everyone. Welcome to Crypto Enjoy Live. Like today we talking about the Gate.io exchange, like Bittensor token. Airdrop is running in the Gate.io. You can see this is the, like, just log in your Gate.io account, or if you don't have the Gate.io account, just open, like, just in the my YouTube description you get one link about the Gate.io exchange, and just open that link and register on the Gate.io. Like, just register on Gate.io, and you will get here, you get like option to sign up in the Gate.io. Just if you think how to sign up in the Gate.io means, just link and open this Gate.io, and here you will get like sign up option. Just sign up, like here you can enter your email ID and your password and your referral ID. Means my ID you can enter and accept this and sign up, or you can directly log in through your phone number also, phone number, password, and enter. After this enter, you will get one confirmation on your phone number or email ID. Just enter and register. After registering, you have to complete your KYC verification. After KYC verification, just invest some amount in the Gate.io, like 1050 USDT. You just transfer in Gate.io, and after that you will get like trade, or anything in the Gate.io. Like, and today we have like Airdrop. Like, if you want to participate in the Gate.io startup, Airdrop is there. Like, just click on this, like, startup, and you will get like lot of tokens is Airdrop is running in the Gate.io. Like, lot of token Airdrop is there. Just participate in that. Just open, like, which you want, you open, like, or you can participate. Like, just open startup, and you can see here like lot of token Airdrop is there, and just open, like, if you want to invest in, like, participate in Bittensor, just open this Bittensor. This is Bittensor, and you will see like here, and there you will get like one option to register here. Register, claim for free option. Just press on that claim for free and just confirm, and you can see here your like shares. They will like give you some shares. If you have any like VIP option, VIP VIP in the Gate.io, you will get like, for VIP 1, my account is now VIP 1, I get like 10 shares. If you have 0 VIP, you will get like, you can also participate, and you will get like, if you, the lucky viewers will, like, lucky members will get like airdrop for the VIP 0. For VIP 0, only lucky members will get collect the airdrop. For VIP members, all will get airdrops. For VIP members is confirmed with the airdrop rewards. Only for the UFOU. Hello UFOU, welcome to live. And only for the non-VIP members, they have to, like, if they're lucky, then only they have to select, and then only they will get like rewards for participation. And you can see what is the Bittensor. Here we can know the Bittensor. This is Bittensor is a decentralized machine learning network that enables user to train and deploy machine learning models collaboratively. The network is powered by the Tau token, TAO token. Like Bittensor token is the like ticker name is TAO token, which is used to reward participants for their contributions. Bittensor is designed to be open and accessible to everyone, and it has the potential to revolutionize the way machine learning is developed and used. You can see Bittensor is the like usage, like this is the machine learning network enables users to train and deploy machine learning models. This is used for the train and learn the machine models. And we can see the founder is Jacob Steves. Jacob Steves is the founder of the Bittensor token, and Bittensor is led by a team with deep AI expertise and both the corporate and academic level. Jacob was a ML engineer at Google before leaving to start Bittensor after the realized corporation AI was never going to scale and the solution was going to be global network of computers that could cooperate in a decentralized manner. And you can see here like this is the he is a founder and he working is a like AI expert. Like he is a AI expert like academic and corporation level. Like before he start the Bittensor, he was a like Google ML engineer in the Google. He has like in experience in the Google. And we can see this is the participation. If you want to interested, like just create your get.io account and log in your account and you can like participate in the airdrop. Like requirements for participation should register on get.io and login. After logging, complete user identity verification. Like here you can see like they have to do identity verification. After that you just participate in the free offering, start of free offering in the get.io. Just participate and collect your like free airdrops. And you can see the startup introduction, like startup purchase is free, price is like 0 USDT. They will charge you only like no charge, like 0 USDT free. You will get like some tau tokens. Like startup supply, you can see the how much they will supply in the startup. For startup, how many will be participate, they will like shares this much, like share you will get like some shares and 100% unlocked like 941 tau tokens they will distribute in the startup participants. And if you want to know the Bittensor price, like this is the Bittensor price. No, Bittensor price is like 55.56 USDT is the price of Bittensor. This is a Bittensor price. You can say like from launching, like this is like almost like 53 above 50. We can see the Bittensor price. From if you see 1 month chart, this is the monthly chart. Bittensor is like almost 70 USDT. Also they reach like almost 69, like 73. You can see here 72, 73 USDT. They reach like from here. Like if you see yearly, you see yearly means they reach up to like 85 to 93 USDT also. And this is the daily chart. Like in daily, you can see like 52 or 50 USDT is the like normal for Bittensor. All time means just March they launch. Just March from launching price is like 93 USDT for Bittensor, and now they are like half price, like 53 USDT price, the Bittensor price. Like if you get like startup, you can participate and you will get like some tokens in the startup participation. This is like good token, you can participate in the get.io startup like 55 USDT, and you can see here like token supply. Total supply of token is 4.12 million TAO tokens. Like total supply 4.12 million, and maximum supply, you can see maximum supply is 21 million, and fully dilated market cap. Market cap, you can see like 1.7 billion is the market cap. Like they are like launching in the like exchanges. You can see in the like now Bittensor is token is Bitguard, Mexi, and Bitmart is available. And from tomorrow we can see in the Gate.io also. And Gate.io like in Gate.io we can see like Airdrop. Like if you want to get free Airdrop of the Bittensor, you can log in and like create account on the Gate.io and log in the Gate.io and complete your KYC and add some USDT in that. After that doing, you get some free airdrops from Gate.io. This is only available for like 10 hours is there. You can say just 11 hours is there. After 11 hours you will get, if you create now account and participate in airdrop, and you will get after 11 hours you will get some like Bittensor tokens. And here you can see the details of Bittensor. This is the details, like one Bittensor token is 55.56 USDT is the Bittensor token. And about Bittensor, like Bittensor is an open source protocol that powers a decentralized blockchain based machine learning network. You can say this is the like open source protocol and powers a decentralized blockchain based machine learning network. Machine learning models train collaboratively and are rewarded in TAO according to the information and value they offer the collective. TAO also grants external access, allowing users to extract information from the network while tuning its activities to their needs. Ultimately, our vision is to create a pure market for artificial intelligence, an incentivized arena in which consumers and producers of this valuable commodity can interact in a trustless, open, and transparent content. You can see Bitcoin like Bittensor is have like pure market. They wanted to create an artificial intelligence and incentives area. Like they want to create an artificial intelligent market, and from that they have to like they have to give incentive for the like creators and consumers. Like coin like market consumers, they will get some like incentives for like buying these tokens, like supporting the Bittensor. Like Bittensor, what is the enables in the Bittensor? A novel optimized strategy for the development and distribution of artificial intelligence technology by leveraging the position. Hello, Abashir, welcome to live. GM sir, walaikum assalam. GM sir, welcome. Marhaba, how are you all? An open source repository of machine learning accessible to anyone, anywhere. This creating the conditions for open and permissionless innovation on a global internet scale. Marhaba, Nasilisi. Thank you, GM sir, for joining live. And we can say distribution of rewards and network ownership to users in direct proportion to the value they have added. And you can see Bittensor is available in the like sex like CX like all like CX Dex is not available, and perpetual and futures like only some SEX they available. The Bittensor price is this one. If you want to buy, you can buy in the outside also, and you can wait like in the gate.io and buy the Bittensor. Like after like launching in the gate.io, you can expect the price movement like upward price movement also. Like you can get like price movement, good movement in the price. Like gate.io is a like big exchange, and this is the like Bittensor website. Like you can build. If you have any coding idea, you can build anything like installation, everything you can do if you know about the coding. Like Bittensor, a peer-to-peer intelligence market. Bittensor is a peer-to-peer intelligence market. As with other commodities, markets could help us effectively produce machine intelligence. We propose a market where intelligence is priced by other intelligence system peer-to-peer across the internet. Peers rank each other by training neural networks which learn the value of their neighbors source accumulate on a digital ledger where high ranking peers are monetarily rewarded with additional weight in the network. However, this from a of peer ranking is not resistance collision, which could disrupt the accuracy of the mechanism. The solution is an incentive mechanism which maximally rewards honestly selected weights, making the system resistant to collusion of up to 50% of the network weight. The results is a collectively run intelligence market which continual process newly trained models and pays contributors who create information theoretic value. Like introduction of the like Bittensor. Like the production of machine intelligence has come to rely almost entirely on a system of benchmarking where machine learning models are trained to perform well on narrowly defined supervised problems. While this system makes well for pushing the performance on these specific problems. The mechanism is weak. Situations where the introduction of market becoming a commodity, which is first one is the like expensively mined from data. Second one is like monetarily valuable, open AI, and third one is transferable, and fourth one is the like generally useful. Measuring is production with supervised objective does not directly reward the commodity itself and causes the field to converge towards narrow specialists. Moreover these objects do not have the resolution to reward niche or legacy systems. Thus, what is not currently state of the art is lost. Ultimately, the proliferation of diverse intelligence system is limited by the need of trying large monolithic models to succeed in a winner take all competition. Standalone engineers cannot directly monetize their work, and what results is centralization, where a small set of large corporations control access to the best artificial intelligence, like OpenAI. And you can see the model, how the like what is they need. We begin with abstract, like how they begin the bit tensor. Like this is the like functions with the loose and unique data space. You can see the codes. Like our goal is the distribution of stake I as incentive to peers who have helped minimize the loss objective, and importantly in such a way that it is difficult for a small proportion of stake colloid as a means of maximize their distribution in the network without minimizing the loss. You can see this is the like high tech. Welcome high tech. Welcome to live. Salam alaikum high tech. Like this is the yeah like they have like these areas all is defined in the website. If you know about the coding or if you have anything, you can ask and learn here. Like in white paper and academy, you can see intelligent bit approach. You can see Bitcoin, like Bittensor Academy is here. Like you can learn anything in the academy. This much is there, and Bittensor wallet also you can see here. Like this is the Bittensor wallet. Like you can create wallet here. Like create new wallet. So you can see this is your code. To create the wallet, you can store in this code. This is the code, and secure surely. And here you retype code and continue and create your password. Anything you can create, like for just I will create here one password. Like I will create like SAP 0989. This is the password. I will enter here and retype and create. Just you can see here this is your like address, and you have created like on Bittensor wallet. This is the wallet of Bittensor, and from here you can receive anything, like you can receive Bittensor here. No, welcome, no, welcome to live. can see this is your Bittensor wallet address, and you can create and receive and send the tokens, like send, like this send to any address, just address and send. And this is receive. If you want to receive, you have to give this address and you will receive. And this is the stake. If you have any tokens in the, like in your account, you can stake them. This is just a small, like Bittensor wallet. You can receive and send the tokens. And this is the AI network layer. They wanted to become one AI options. You can see everything in here. You can see about the Bittensor wallet, basic TBTCL. Before you begin customize your miner, it is useful to familiarize yourself with our BTC commands. BTC is a command for the interface of the Bittensor, and commands used. You can see here is a commands to use your wallet. Like this is like Crazy Crowd. Welcome Crazy Crowd. Welcome to live. And you can be a miner in here. Like if you're interested in the mining, you can register in the Bittensor, like registration for the miner. Registering a hotkey before can begin mining tau. You must first register a hotkey in the network by solving the protocol PWPOW, proof of work, by paying fee. With recycle register, the Bittensor network comprised like 4096 servers, and each time a new hotkey is registered to the network, the lower ranked miner is kicked off of the network. PO, proof of work registration, will likely require GPUs. Means if you have interested to be a miner, you can like register here. Like before you register, you have to pay some fee for the recycle register, and they have like 4096 servers, 4096 servers they have, and each they generate hotkey in for register the like miner. And if you perform the low performance, they will kick you, they will kick back that miners. Like you have to perform good and you will get like stay in the area. Like for you are a good miner, you need one graphic card. And before you can utilize the CUDA registration, you must first install CUDA toolkit and Qubit. Please note that CUDA registration only supports SM86 enabled CUDA GPU. Other GPUs may require additional configuration for registration. Like if you have this hardware like CUDA GPU, if you have this hardware, you can like register. You can register as a miner. Like you have to like toolkit, you have to install. Like you have to install and be active in the miner. Like this is like looks like they are good area, like good support from the Bittensor. They have to active as a miner. If you are active miner, you will receive some like mining rewards. If you show some less work in the miner, they will kick you. They will delete your like mining account also. and running a miner. You can see here how to run the mining. Once your miner is registered in the network and you have substance running locally, you are ready to begin serving or validating. Like if you have a registered miner, if the application is registered, you have to like start directly locally from begin server or validating. Like you have to create, you have to immediately have to start working. Like how to run, like run GPU. You need hardware, good hardware to run become a miner in the Bittensor. And they have like full installation, fine tuning. They will give support, full support for miners. And here also we can see full details about the Bittensor, and Bittensor price is like 55.53 USDT price of the Bittensor. And you can see where is this Bittensor available, everything you can get details. Bittensor does not have any Twitter followers and chat, Discord. Looks like they creating the starting newly. This is the update, and this is the world's tau token. The Bittensor, the world's first neural internet. Like this is the world's first neural internet. The website is commonly community run. The website you can see they run by the community. They have a good community. They will run from that. Like supported by digital currency group, like supporters GSR, Polychain Capital, and Firstmark. They are the supporters. And Tau Bittensor, decentralized machine learning. What is the Tau Bittensor? Bittensor is revolutionizing the development of machine learning performance by decentralizing the process and creating peer-to-peer market for learning intelligence. It enables the collective intelligence of AI models to come together, forming a digital hive mind. This decentralized approach allows for the rapid expansion, the sharing of knowledge, akin to an unstoppable library of knowledge just grows exponentially by harnessing the power of distributed networks and incentivizing collaboration. Bittensor is driven innovation and pushing the boundaries of machine learning. You can see Bittensor is the like the, you can say they will like start one new innovation for machine learning innovation. And overview of the Bittensor. And Bittensor is a mining network similar to Bitcoin. Like Bittensor is a like similar to Bitcoin mining network that offers censorship resistant access to a decentralized network of machine learning models by leveraging digital incentives and rewarding participants directly for the contributions of computational resources, expertise, and innovation. Bittensor established a comprehensive open source ecosystem of artificial intelligence competence. The native currency TAO concedes both reward and asset token to the network. Like we can say like if they will like successful, they how they expected, like if they will successful, we can say this is the like another Bitcoin, we can say like BTC, this is the TAO. Like this is also a mining network. You can say this is the mining network and similar to Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin have to like mine and like get mine Bitcoins, and this is also similar to Bitcoin. Like they, if you want to get this token, you have to mine. After mining, you will get some tokens. Like they are comparing with the Bitcoin. Like TAO holds intrinsic value within the Bittensor ecosystem as it represents the embodiment of intelligence and knowledge. Each TAO token signifies the contribution made by developers and the quality of their models. The value of TAO extends beyond a more currency as it serves as a representation of collective intelligence and insight contained within the network. How does Bittensor protocol works? If you want to know about how the Bittensor protocol works, the Bittensor protocol is a decentralized machine learning protocol that enables the exchange of machine learning capabilities and product predictions among participants in a network. It facilitates the sharing and collaboration of machine learning models and services in a peer-to-peer manner. And network architecture and registration and substantial validators. Validator means the mining validators. The miners are the network provide machine learning hosting service. You can see here miners and consensus incentives. They will give incentive for the miners and validators. Like Bittensor is looks like another Bitcoin. This is also works with a group of intelligence and decentralized mixture of experts and solving problems. You can see here every detail in the bittensor.org. Like bitcoin.org is there, and this is the bittensor.org. And you can see the founders of the Bittensor. And this is the Jacob Robert Steves, founder, and another is Ala Shabana. Ala Shabana is a founder. Two founders is there in the here. And conclusion about the Bittensor. The beauty of our system is its diversity. Beauty of our system is the diversity and beauty of diversity. Any engineer or group of engineers can fine tune a model, plug it in and play the odds. The more diversity we can pull into the system, the higher the probability of introducing state of the art results. Our system is scalable and software can be built on top of it, meaning there is no limit of the quantity and complexity of innovation it could ultimately foster. By creating an interactive open-ended ecosystem for the development of artificial intelligence, we are not only harnessing a global supply of computing power, but we are also tapping into the global supply of innovation. This approach has the potential to drive progress in artificial intelligence and lead to groundbreaking results. We invite researchers and engineers to join us on his journey to create a new paradigm for AI, one that leverages digital trust to create a market for pure machine intelligence together we can build more powerful intelligent future. Like this is the like they are founders and they just inviting the new users, new like if you are a have any experience in the like engineers and AI technician, they are inviting like to join their community. Like you can, if you have any idea to make the company or this Bittensor token to improve, you can. They are welcome to invite you. They are welcoming you. They are just inviting you to join their ecosystem and build together. Like if you're interested, you can like join. And you can say like with the artificial intelligence, with the help of artificial intelligence, they are becoming like another Bitcoin also can. And now the exchange is there, Bittensor. Bittensor exchange is there. You can buy, sell token here also. And they have like their community, Telegram, Discord, and everything is there. Bittensor staking guide. If you want to stake, you can read here guide also. Like stake, how to stake. Like go to Polkadot website and you can stake. Or from tomorrow you can like just open gate.io and stake in the gate.io also. In gate.io just like buy and hold the tokens also. Like and gate.io you getting like here you can see this is the gate.io account. Just open or log in your gate.io. Like if you don't have gate.io account, just create on gate.io account and log in. Create and log in and you will get like here startup is there. And this is the startup is there in the gate.io. हो सकेगा लास्ट करेगा फुल लास्ट अच्छा फुल कौन है कौन है कहाँ है कौन है वो दिख रहा स्टार्ट करो can join the gate.io and create like join startup. The startup is running in the gate.io. Just log in your account and everyone participate in this year. This is the like participation rules you can see here. Just create your like register on the gate.io and parts like just register gate.io and log in your gate.io account. And after login, just complete user identity verification. Just verification and after that you can participate. Like you have to hold like 10 USDT in your account. If you are a non UAP user, you have to use like you have to minimum 10 USDT in your account, then only you will get like startup rewards for the new users and non UAP users. And we see like tomorrow you will get here like just open the after login your like Gate.io, Bittensor. This is the Bittensor, and here you get like this zero free to claim option is coming here. Just open that and click on that, and after you will receive like claim now. Just this, and you will get tokens. And everyone, thank you for joining the live. Thank you everyone for joining live, and live ends now.